Okay, so we have a lot going on over here, so please don't come at me about the drainage and also the moss, because we're in the middle of fixing all of that. But what we're going to do is protect the sprinkler head right here, and then we're actually going to come in and bring some more topsoil and just cover it up and make it look a lot better over here. So everything is going to be prettified.
Hey, Mom. And then over here you can see that I can see where the line is coming in, so obviously we're going to go around that, which is nice to be able to do that. And then we're just going to knock this guy in. So when we're putting in all of the mulch and topsoil around it, this will be able to protect it so it doesn't get washed out by any of the leftover water that gets drained off of the sprinklers, or the gutters. Okay, so looks like we're good in here. I don't even know if I need to pound that in. I can push it in my hands from here. There we go. So you can see that and the level that it's going to. So then what I'm going to do is then I'm going to come in here and actually fill in around this with topsoil. So you can kind of see the height, but right now you can see all
Dirt that's kind of been washed away from this situation. So we're in the middle of fixing that, so then it also isn't going to get washed away from when the water's coming down from the downspouts.